Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to DreamView. I will tell you how to use Google News. Okay? So, first of all, I would like to know about Venu Madhav. Okay? So, anything Venu Madhav. Venu Madhav. Okay? After that, search Venu Madhav. After that, click on News. Beside of all, you will get option News. Click on that. Recent news about Venu Madhav. Here you will get Mahesh Babu to Nani. This everything is come. Okay, popular comedian Venu Madhav. Venu Madhav. This everything related to Venu Madhav news. If I would like to know about India, INDIA. Click on that. You are in news section only. Okay, so once you entered into the news related section, if you wants to know about so many topics, just you can type like it's like news search engine. Okay, so see India's 88 lakh course, this everything is there. So India young, this all related to news about India. Okay, so if you wants to know about America, okay, America, click on that. It's automatically come news section. See topmost this everything total related to American news. Okay, like this. If you wants to know about Article 360, if you want to know about UNO, okay, UNO related recently happens at the 27th program. Okay, so like if you wants to know about Kashmir, if you wants to know about um Pakistan, if you wants to know about any topic, okay, if you wants to know about anything related to, okay, just what you have to do right now, just for search, okay, just for search. Okay, if you do like this, automatically you will get all topics related to news. Okay, if you wants to know about China, okay, whatever you want, okay, in your topic, like I am from Tamil Nadu, so what I would like to do, I would like to search for Chennai news. Chennai, Chennai. See, like this. If I am from Hyderabad, Hyderabad, total related to Hyderabad. If I am from Mumbai, okay, like this. Like this, friends, continuously we can get news by using news search engine. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Any doubts you can comment below. I will respond to comment. Thank you.